It's time for another tech tip with Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at why your washer needs grime-fighting SideKick. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The LG SideKick washer is the newest thing coming to your laundry room. When you have too much laundry but lack the space for a second washer, the SideKick will become your washer's Robin. Disguised as an everyday pedestal, this 27-inch mini LG washer fits under almost any LG front-load unit so that you can wash two loads at the same time. The main tub is a workhorse, taking on your biggest, bulkiest loads like towels and bedding, but the SideKick can handle your delicate hand washables and workout wear, quickly handling up to 3 to 4 pounds of clothing while your main washer runs a standard load. If you're going to have a pedestal for your washer, it may as well function as something more than just storage. Even though the LG SideKick is small and compact, it still comes with the same custom features as large washers, such as LED display indicators and an intuitive cycle control that helps you have the right setting every time. The Tub Clean option keeps your SideKick fresh and clean and in tip-top condition. This unit has up to 6 cycles, including normal, intimates, hand wash and active wear rinse spin. Backed up with a stainless steel tub and a direct drive motor that is backed for a 10-year limited warranty, this unit can be purchased between $700 and $900. Now, with new technology, you will always come to a point where you'll need a repair. ApplianceVideo.com has you covered. They've created a complete series of videos to help you fix this LG SideKick washer for yourself. With a library of over 6,000 repair videos, ApplianceVideo.com should have what you need to assist with your next repair. Hey, if this video helped you, then go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.